Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I have the ultimate speaker battle between the Google Pixel 4 XL and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But before I get into this video, check this out. Alright everyone, so I'm back with another video today. I hope y'all are having a great day. This is the ultimate speaker battle between the Pixel 4 XL and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I like doing these tests just to see which phone has the better speakers. I want your opinions on this, so let's get a discussion going in the comments. All I'm going to do in this video is play some non-copyrighted music from SoundCloud, and we can pick a winner, which one sounded the loudest, which one had the most bass, or which one was even the most clearest on the device. When I do these tests, it's not scientific at all. Do not have a decimal reader or anything like that. Whatever you hear, which whenever you like, pick it, and then we can definitely, have a discussion in the comments. Also at the end, I may play a video from a YouTuber just to see how it plays videos from YouTube. See which phone is the best, either the Galaxy Note 10 Plus or the Pixel 4 XL. These phones came out in 2019. They both have stereo or dual speakers, whatever you want to call it. One through the earpiece and then also the one at the bottom. I believe the Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a great speaker compared to other phones that I had. But this Pixel 4 XL really sounds good too. But let's get this going. I'm going to start off with the Pixel 4 XL first. So let me get the Note 10 out the way and set up the Pixel 4 XL. Look at that thing. That panda color is great. All right, so I have the first song for the Pixel. Alright, so that was the Pixel 4 XL. What do y'all think about that? Next, I will have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Same song. Alright, so that was the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. What do y'all think about that one? They actually sounded both pretty good. But let's pick a winner. I'm going to move on to the Pixel again with the new song.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy from a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't be the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees.
Alright, so that was the Pixel 4 XL. What do y'all think about that one? Here's the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I'm going to play the same song.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't pay the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees.
All right, so that was the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The next song will be the Pixel 4 XL.
Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's nobody running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know we will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming outwards, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
All right, that was the Pixel 4 XL. What y'all thought about it? Next will be the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So here's the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the same song.
Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's nobody running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know we will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming outwards, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
All right, so that was the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. What do y'all think about those three songs? The next thing I want to do is just play a short clip from YouTube. Check out my boy Phone Tech at Work. If you're not subscribed, make sure you definitely subscribe to his channel. I will have the link in the description. He did a quick unboxing. I'm going to just play a short clip from that video. That way we can pick, the overall winner of this battle. So let me go ahead and get that started and set up. Okay, everyone. So I was able to set up the video. I have it ready to play. All I'm going to do is play 30 seconds of his unboxing video. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. Follow him on Twitter. Go check out his website. But let's go ahead and see how this sounds. And like I said, we can pick an overall winner.
Let's just see what we got here. Pop open the tabs. All right, here we go. You guys will find out as soon as I do. Boom! Check it out. I knew it. I knew it. So this is the Google Pixel 4 XL in the oh so orange color. I'm not sure on what variant it is, but I do know this is definitely a beauty. Now, on camera, it looks a little bit more orange, but in person, it's...
Now, you seen what color he got. He got the oh so orange. How did that sound? I thought it sounded pretty good on the Pixel 4 XL. The next part will be the Galaxy Note 10. Let me go ahead and get that set up. Okay, so I have the Note 10 Plus ready. Same video. Let's see which one sounds the best.
Let's just see what we got here. Pop open the tabs. All right, here we go. You guys will find out as soon as I do. Boom! Check it out. I knew it. I knew it. So this is the Google Pixel 4 XL in the oh so orange color. I'm not sure on what variant it is, but I do know this is definitely a beauty. Now, on camera, it looks a little bit more orange.
All right, so that was the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. What y'all thought about it? Actually, I think they both sounded good, but to me, the Pixel 4 XL sounds loud and it's clearer, but that's just me. I want your opinion on it. Let's get a discussion going. So do you pick the Pixel 4 XL or do you pick the Galaxy Note 10 Plus? Which one did the overall better job? Y'all let me know in the comments below. Now let's have a friendly discussion. No stupid comments, because I will delete them. But let's pick a winner. To me, they both sounded great, but I want your opinion. I want to see what you think about it. And then we can definitely have a discussion. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on both of these phones. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.